In this video we will create the chart. So we will go to Insert, then we will use a bubble chart, and then we use the right mouse key, select Data, and then add. Series name is product number 1. X values is the deviation from cell G5. Then for the vertical line we use the value from cell E5, and then for the bubble size we will use the value from cell E5, and we will click on OK and OK. So, and no bubble is shown here, but if we change the value from the actual, so now it's smaller here than 0, and we will change the scoring point from 5 to 2, then we've got our bubble chart here in this case. We'll click on the title and we will delete it. We click on the horizontal grid lines, delete it, and we click on the vertical axis matcher grid lines and delete them. So then we will also change the values. That's okay because the value is smaller than 3, but here we have a deviation bigger than 0, so we will choose 20, that's okay, and a smaller value, let's say 1.5 and 2.5. So all values are here for the bottom left box. We click on the chart, right mouse key, select Data, add, series name product 2, X values -11 from cell G6, the value for vertical lines, that's here on cell H6, and the bubble size from cell E6. Okay, then we will add product number 3, X values from cell G6, vertical line value from H7, and the bubble size from E7. Okay, then we will add product number 4, X values from cell G8, vertical line values H8, and the bubble size from cell E8. Okay, and the last one, add product number 5, X values from cell G9, vertical line H9, and the bubble size from cell E9. Okay, and we click OK. Then we will use a red color for all bubbles, because all bubbles here at the bottom left box. So we go on Home, then on the bracket, and select a red color, red, 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 and red. Then mark a bubble. We go to Chart Design. On the button Add Chart Element, Data Labels, then we will select more data label options. We will mark series name, deactivate vertical value, and label position at center. And we do the same for all other bubbles. So Chart Design, Data Labels, more data label options, series name, deactivate vertical value, label position at center. data labels, more data label options, series name, deactivate vertical value, label position at center. Next one, data labels, more data label options, mark series name, deactivate vertical line, label position center, and the last one, chart element, data labels, more data label options, series name, deactivate vertical values, and label position center. So now we have all red bubbles. Then we will make a double click here on the horizontal value axis, and then vertical axis crosses axis values at 0, because 0 is our deviation here for positive and a negative deviation. Then go down to labels, and for label position we will select none. So no numbers are shown here at this line. Then we will click on the bucket for the line, set the point for solid line, and we will select a black color. Then we will make a double click here at the numbers from the vertical axis. Then minimum 0, maximum 6, because we want to use an average value of 3 points. So we will click the point here at horizontal axis, cross it, and axis value at 3.0. Then we will go to the bucket and line solid line, and we will select a black color. So now we have here the crosses line at 3 points. Then we will go back here to axis options, and then at labels, for label position we select none and no numbers are shown. Then we will make a double click at the chart, and we go to border, solid line, and we select a black color, and make a double click in the inside chart, go to border, solid line, and we select again a black color. Okay. In the next video we will create the bubbles for the top left box.